guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hey girl. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into this video. So what you see me doing is applying witch hazel all over my forehead to remove any excess oils. Now I'm going to be taking my HC ball cap here. This is what it looks like when it is right on, and you guys are wanting to pull that ball cap over your ears, just how you see in this video. You're gonna want to make sure that you get an HD ball cap. This is going to provide a seamless blend. For the next step, you're going to want to take a pair of shear or scissors, and you're going to want to cut the ear or shape of your ear from out of the cap. Doing this step ensures that the ball cap lays correctly on both sides. And you're just going to repeat the same process on the other side. This is what your cap should look like when you're done cutting the ear tabs. Now onto the step of gluing the wig cap down. You're just going to want to ensure that all hairs and edges are pulled back. Now you're going to take the adhesive of your choice and you're going to apply that all in front of your hairline. So with this step, you want to make sure that you are gluing down the wig cap, but you're putting the glue or adhesive in front of the hair. You do not want to put it on your hair, near your hair. That is how you take away your edges. So to preserve those edges, you need to make sure that you're putting your adhesive way in front of your actual hair. So for specifics for me, I am using the Even adhesive in the black can, and I am applying that on my hairline, and I am using my finger to spread that product around, just so that way you're not overusing the glue, because you don't need a lot. You literally just want to add like a good smooth, nice couple layers. After each layer, you want to make sure you take your blow dryer on cool setting and dry it. Alright, so I recommend doing at least about a good 3 layers. I think 3 is just a good key number to keep so you won't forget. So when you're doing your wig cap, 3 layers. When you're applying your actual adhesive glue for your wig, 3 layers. 3 is just a good rule of thumb number to keep while doing your hair. Now, once the cap is completely dried, not sticky, not tacky, but once it's completely dried, you're going to want to take a pair of shears. You want to cut a slit in it. And then once you cut the slit in it, you're going to want to take a razor, a razor. Yeah, you're going to want to take a razor, and you're going to want to cut any excess cap off that you did not glue down. I would recommend a razor only because it helps lays the flattest to your head compared to a pair of shears, and it also just gives it that edgy, not so perfect look, just to mimic more so natural skin, I guess. So I would recommend doing this part one side at a time. So you're going to want to take some spray adhesive. You want to put it on your finger, not directly onto the cap. And you're going to want to apply that to where the beginning of your cap is. And take your blow dryer on cool setting. Take the back of your comb and smooth it out. This is how it's going to create that seamless blend from the cap to your skin. And you won't be able to see the cap at all. So again, cool setting on that dryer, ladies. Seriously, it helps a ton. And just use your comb, press it in. Again, I would recommend using a spray adhesive for this part necessarily, not any, in the bottle or cream. Use a spray for this part. This is what it should look like once you completed a whole side. And now we're just going to move on to the other side. So again, doing the same steps, taking that even spray on my finger, applying it to the edges or the beginning of the ball cap, spreading it over, and then I'm going to be using the blow dryer and drying it on cool. And you can really use any tool, just use a smooth tool to flatten it out, and this is what it's going to look like. You guys, this was a perfect and easy installation. You just want to make sure that you're smoothing it out, making sure your edges are really smooth. That is the most important part, because as you know, when your wig starts lifting, the sides start lifting first. Now this part is optional. You can either cut the excess off in the back or you can tie it in a knot. I usually tie it in a knot just to make sure I feel that it's more secure, but you can do whatever you would like to. It's totally about your own preference. But this is how the cap is looking so far. Now it's time to apply the foundation or makeup. This step honestly is completely optional. I feel like as long as you apply your foundation onto whatever lace you're about to apply, that is fine. You don't necessarily have to apply it to your wig cap. So this step is optional. Once you have everything applied and dried, you want to take a cotton pad with some witch hazel on it or some alcohol and just get any excess glue off, any excess makeup off your forehead before you apply your wig. And this is how it turned out. Ladies, I absolutely enjoyed y'all. Can't wait to see y'all in my next video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Make sure you tell a friend to come and join the gang. I'll see you ladies soon.